How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello everyone. First, launch your Snapchat application. After that, tap on your profile icon from your top left corner, then go to settings. Scroll down and then you will need to download all your datas in your Snapchat in order to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So simply go to settings and then scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this option of my data just above logout. After this is loaded, what you will have to do is select the information that you want to download. And then after doing that, tap on next, then simply submit it and then a export will be created. All you have to do is download it and find it over there. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.